Hello my friends. I'm going to be doing a pour today, but first I want to show you these couple of paintings I've done. My goodness, I have to go way back in order to catch the whole thing. They're 12 by 36 inches. But I won't be making a video on them, but I will refer you to Soraya Silvestri, who inspired me to paint these with a kitchen sponge. She's got a lot of videos on that technique, and I suggest you check them out. And I did add a little more brushwork on mine, just in the waves there a little bit, but for the most part I'd say 90% of these were made with a sponge. I'm going to add a little more detail to the dark one on the left also. Anyway, I hate to have you see what a mess my room is here, but to see the whole thing I've got to back way up. There we go. Anyway, let's get to today's pour. All right, today I'm using up my cloud mix that I mixed over 4 months ago, almost 5 months ago. By this point, I don't know if it's still good. It just may be white paint. We'll see. But my colors are Payne's Gray, Liquitex Basics. Most of these are Liquitex Basics. Light Blue Violet, the Cloud Mix. This is a mix of Loft Deep Magenta and Arteza's Pearl Rose Quartz. And it came out really pretty. I mean, look at that, going for this pink color. It's really quite lovely. And then I've got, I mixed a pigment, or a Bling It mica powder in golden maple. Pretty. And lastly, brilliant purple in Liquitex. So I've got this round canvas here. I love pouring on rounds. They're not expensive. Get them at Hobby Lobby, and they're just really fun to pour on. I don't find they sell very well, but I like them anyway. So here we go. I think I'll put the cloud mix in now. I'll put the recipe down below for everything, but it's all pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So that's why I started over there. As I saw that was happening, I got that out of the center. So, all right. Well, it looks like that cloud thing is still happening. It's a little bit of a surprise, a happy surprise. Wish I had more dark. I hope some of the Payne's Gray will come through more, because there's not a lot of contrast, and I really like contrast in my work. All right, here we go. got to get rid of a lot of that, but first I just want to move it around for canvas coverage. Look at those. That Bling It is quite pretty. Next to the pink even, I like that. The cloud mix, it's still having an effect, but it's certainly better when it's fresher than this length of time. Yeah, it's kind of disintegrating. Yeah, that's not good. Maybe I'll hit it with a hair dryer. Yeah, I'm going to, because I'm not loving it. I'm not loving it. All right, I turned it to the orientation I prefer and let it sit for a while, and as you can see, the cloud mix was still good. But if you like it like this, stop watching, because I'm about to do something crazy with it. I scraped up all the rest of the paint, you know, every little speck in those cups, and added it to the cup I had. There's just too much white going on here. I'm going to pour this on and blow it out. All right. Now I'll let that sit and see what happens. goodness, I'm finally done. That cloud mix just would not let go. Really was taking over, but now I'm kind of pleased with the final result. I think it almost looks like a tumultuous wave against a sunset sky, and I'm pretty happy with it. The last thing I did, which you didn't see because I thought I was recording, but I had it on photo instead, was to give a little swipe with white cell activator right in this little section. I just didn't care for that dark mass there, but as you can see, the cloud mix just took over. It still had a lot of life in it after 4+ months. Even here where I swiped with the black, but at least it changed the appearance of it, and I'm not unhappy with that. And I must say the Bling It did something really pretty over here. Look at that. A little glow of kind of orangey pink. I even like that pink in there. And yeah, I think it turned out to be quite a beautiful piece. It's a lot of work. But I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for sticking with me. And I hope to see you next time. Bye now.